People always ask me, Andrew, how do I get results online? Like, what do I do to actually get leads? How do I get clients from my marketing efforts? And that's a loaded question. There's a lot to it. It's not just driving traffic, right? A lot of people focus on that. That's like the one thing they want to know is like, how do I get traffic? How do I get results from Google? Things like that. There's a lot more to it than just driving traffic. There's actually 7 specific steps I've outlined that I'm going to share on this channel and through a series of videos that cover how to get results that last online. And we're going to be talking about those specifically. The question, what would you do if you were me? Also comes up quite a bit, and that's the same exact type of thing. I don't do loans, I don't sell houses, I don't do insurance, but I do know how to help you get more clients in the door using your referral, your sphere of influence, online, digital, SEO, Google, pay-per-click, video, all that kind of stuff can really work well for you, but you have to understand how to make it work, how to convert leads. That's the big thing. I see pretty much 99% of the people out there trying to do marketing and drive traffic don't even really take into account. It's like, what if they do find me? If somebody finds me off of Yelp or off of Google, they click to my website, they hit my landing page, they open up my email, they see my social media post, whatever it is. Where do you take them? What's that journey you take them on? What's that user experience? How do you actually turn that anonymous click into a lead and then from a lead into a client? There's a little journey you got to master and know inside and out to get results. And that's what we're going to be talking about. It's not rocket science. You don't have to be some Google internet algorithm guru. It's a lot easier than you might think. I think people make it out to be some like technical or some mysterious like hocus pocus kind of thing. It's not at all. It's a lot easier than you might think. I'll show you how it works. There's going to be a lot of content based on, again, these 7 principles, these 7 core steps, these 7 pillars, if you will. I'm trying to stay away from the word pillars as it's been so overused, but it's a perfect word. But anyway, we'll be talking about those 7 fundamental keys to getting results online and how to generate leads in a whole bunch of different videos. So more to come on that topic. Again, how do I get results? What would you do if you were me? These kinds of questions are super relevant. I totally get where you're coming from with that, and I want to address those specific things. The answer to that question's different for each person that asks it, but again, there's some certain things, some fundamentals that everybody can adhere to and kind of live by, that if you put these pieces together and you follow this framework, it's going to result in leads, and those leads will convert into sales if you can live up to your end of the bargain. And obviously, you've got your optimization dialed in as far as sales processes, follow-up, nurture techniques, phone skills, all that kind of stuff. We'll be talking about some of those things as well. But anyways, excited to share this stuff with you. Thanks for checking out the video. More to come on these topics in the very near future. Thanks again.